Welcome to everyone, my online class. I am Joshimuddin, an assistant English teacher, Hoshindi ML High School, Gojaria, Munshiganj. Dear learners, I am going to take my online class and important topics of English first paper for the students of class 10. Dear learners, at first take your book and look at the page number 168, lesson unit 13, lesson 2. Dear learners, today's topic is social network services. Social network services. Dear learners, what are the medium of social network? Like they are Facebook, Google, Twitter, LinkedIn. Dear learners, repeat them: Facebook, Twitter, 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 LinkedIn. Dear learners, tell me, who is the inventor of Facebook? The inventor of Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg. Mark, M-A-R-K, Mark, Z-U-C-K-E-R-B-E-R-G, Mark Zuckerberg. And when it was invented? It was invented in 2004. Dear learners, who is the inventor of Twitter? The inventor of Twitter is Jack Dorsey, D-O-R-S-E-Y, Dorsey. And when it was invented? In 2006. Dear learners, another point is LinkedIn. What is the inventor of LinkedIn? The inventor of LinkedIn, Reid, R-E-I-D, Reid Hoffman, Reid Hoffman. And when it was invented? In 2003. Dear learners, I hope you can understand the key words of the passage, key point of the passage: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Dear learners, again take your textbook and read the passage carefully and try to make out the meaning of the passage. I hope you can understand the meaning of the passage and you can get some keywords from reading the passage. Dear learners, let's have a look some keywords or phrase on the whiteboard, like across the border. Across the borders. Across the borders mean foreign countries. Foreign countries. COUNTRIES. Foreign countries. The another word is global village. Global village. Global village means easy interaction among the people of the countries of the world. The another word is multimedia. Multimedia means using more than one medium of expression. The another word is upload. Upload means to post some information. To post information. Content. Content means the things that are contained in something. Blog. Blog means a web page that is made up of information about a topics. I hope you can understand the keywords of the passage. Dear learners, in the exam, based on the passage, there are 2 points, but 2 items of questions, that is choose the best answer and answer the question. I hope you can understand the choose the correct answer, but answer the question is very difficult to understand. Now we are trying to answer the question on the whiteboard. Dear learners, let's have a look some questions based on your passage. Number 1. What do you mean? What do you mean by social network? Social network. What do you mean by social network? The answer is a huge number of websites like Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, LinkedIn, etc. that help to facilitate relations among people around the world. Are known as social network. Dear learners, thus you can answer the question very clearly if you understand the meaning of the passage. So I have no time to explain the class. So dear learners, so far today, thank you very much for watching my online class. Take your okay, thank you, bye bye.